Good evening. I spent the whole day at Cherif's house. We are working on setting up my fund called AI Capital Holdings. He actually went through the Private Placement Memorandum step by step. He also covered how to present it in a group situation, in a one-on-one situation, and in front of a crowd. I feel very confident that I will be successful and be able to grow. If you have dealt with Cherif, you already know that he's very energetic, very dedicated, and very knowledgeable. He spent years and years fine-tuning his procedure. You can't go wrong with Cherif. I encourage you to come out, sign up, and take the capital raising crack the code seminar. It's worth every penny. That's it.